Hi, I'm Steph and I am out at Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort with my crew here. Two people are going to be tandem kayaking and me and Mare are going to be in a canoe, and I have not been in a canoe since I was a kid and I did not like it back then. So I want to actually see if I enjoy canoeing because it's been a really long time. So I'm excited to get in this canoe and try it out here at Disney World. Come join us. Try the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2. It's working. 3. Okay, stay. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. Hold.
Took it out.
Feels very like old wilderness to use a canoe.
Yeah, support living up to its name for sure.
All right, so we're coming to the end of our paddle. It's a great circle around this water area here at Fort Wilderness. So Mare and I have been using the canoe with regular canoe paddles, a single paddle, and it's been okay, but it's really annoying to switch sides. And as kayakers, you know, we like our double paddles. So we're actually going to try to swap these out for double paddles, which is what you use for kayaking, and see if it makes it any better to use that for the canoe. So that will be our next go around, will be with a double paddle. Observe as Mare smells the flower.
Very, very subtle, but it does smell nice. Yay!
Alright, so we just finished our paddle here at Fort Wilderness and it was awesome. Using the kayak paddle definitely worked better in the canoe for sure. And this is a great activity here at Fort Wilderness. It's really inexpensive, and it's just like a chill, cool paddle around the park. And we put our boats back. And the coolest thing about kayaking here at Fort Wilderness is we're actually staying at Fort Wilderness, and we're currently in a golf cart, and we're going back to our cabin. So this is the way to do it. A nice breeze, perfect. We're staying in Settlers Bend. We're in room 2419. It's the best cabin here, actually. And why I know that is because that's the one we're staying in. We're home!